Manjo Mariri on Ndizi TV nande nigo charagire chinsa ikomie kanangu kwa ni SMS aito ya mwana maya na tuenda kwa sangiro stogende kwa sangiri kulia kete kabone no kuboli kwa nandi kwa ali bageri lia bene uraligiria mangana yura mayang na ralia gende te korekana ime na isko ya gusinyorana naboko na utubote sense meli ya mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital baiga sense ya YouTube naboko tonyora Ndizi TV News yokinya chingaki to tweet @Ndizi TV News wa kerengel kia garakyo ni otukere ndikirenza kireta ka gwetera namba ira skini yao aya na yechinze 10 karotu de kwa chunju na kote ina rali twa busangiriri karotu arena murai wa mambo asimiro moja wa ni Kenya boigo origi ekero gwetera so mobu Raila Morodinga nigo aika asense meli ya punge la mwananchi Jufenchis Gardens ase akwanera abamenyi bense migose asaika sikalekyo karatana ni gali ketwe enda chukwanira mangana asense meyo anakarateruna ni gagendete kuiguburo buria bakenya bagendete kuwetera anekere bintu bigendete kukina ekarayara kanabuna ni gakomoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza yu kati ya twendete kukusangirira karoto chiko gotebya ngaki agendete kukorekana kule na kwalenda senjira ya bene yora sense merio munu bimanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Uta ni Liane Brighton Makoli ya mateye mokorwa nyakyogiro ewodi ya Ariana ine bunge ya Bonchari county ya Kisii nigobono eganetio bokonyi korwa sabasamali abaya ayani gagoja magega yoyomo obo Juvenalis Onyoni kubwateranirwa no mubasukano bwebara asebono banyarire bagutumeka kibesa kinyinge mbaka baere irupi korinde nigobono banyarire bakobolia basamali abaya kubarigereria na komokonya elindanya kibese endanyare kwegweneria gusanyare kokwendera kwegweneria na konyora chinguru asoguma bwae
mbuya mono naenda selibaga egento nkwirana linkeringa kuru 2013 una nanyoreta accident yokugoro kuru elio ndiri tuko nanyekorana no ne limo ntanyweti eliogo na ndiri yogo nkunyu n'ekinde tere chichigo poiso gororo go chiko gorwa eyemo siring 80 na ndi nkunyu 3 every day igere manye kurwa rigunyi gubuya ibikombe bitakere 600,000 jira cyo munyagitali abatanga jira chigo chikorete ibikombe byuka ikiya cyamanya kubwati
abaibori aborokia na borokiwa kurwa sezukuru ya rangenyo eyire skuru y'abanyaruka nigo bagenderete goichanira gekorwa kyo mwarimu manene bw'eskuru eyo Lidi Onyoni oyonyarde kago siri obogima bwa ya buri turegoro asinyagitali yo asis kago kwana goseba okwana nigo bana baichanire korwe kekarwate runa gose kagere no mwarimu yini ganyarde kago saga no nabantu batamanyiri aseskuru eyo ekikerete gotikirwa chingo machinyinge kara ire tuikase enyagitali yo Oasis nigo asireti obogima bwaye bono nigo babudia serikali gokorobo tukibwaime erikwira ningi kirete ngane igo korekana asibano baendete kurombya na goichanira engane iyo
kamakoni nkuru kurwase kinyoro kya Nyansanda no ndangena se skuru ye ngaune kirani yani nje no moiboli bwe skuru ye asabana na so milioni yo kana bono rororo Kolenda inaro lire bona ya asa umwalimu wango sirimono ekyagero umwalimu ito konyorora biri skuru ito yabire skuru no anenjera gocho kwanera abana nabo
te kosi ayo korane konyotara manya bonto ikine mayo tumanyanga madam ito na kyagosira egekogera madam ya sa usire skuru yeiga na tambe sana
tiga serikali ito enyare ko bage kurigereri mono igoro y'abantu bagoitwa abantu bagucherba kaga iyo skuru eyo mochigo gitire mono sa
Oraboti urugorwa seskuru ya rankenyo nigo muri kito cyo mange andate gutubwateri igo gikoragense ya yabono marawa no chikonyora sinjira yubikirano kiro tokusko kurwa abuni otokanda wikasense meri yekyombe kerikianat Kenya National Union of Teachers nigo bono kyago keire gusine kya matogiri umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asuko beke task force ye uchikurigeri umuroberi OCBC baukwana bakorawa na Kennedy Nyamwanda oyiro mokonyi bwo kiganja gose obugachi asekyombe kinigo bono bateruna na barabo nigo bachukwena nebirengera byabo igoro y'umurobero CBC goki ase kyombe kyo task force ena barabo amagani abanyarega kubekera nibo ase roboti rodi ekyombe kerachi kubwatuka.
And we support His Excellency the President for coming up with a very strong task force comprising of renowned educationists who are going to look at this CBC critically and look at the weaknesses. And remember, as KNUT, even from the word go, we raised some issues about this CBC. There were some gray areas which were supposed to be addressed, which were never addressed. But this is a good opportunity for us. As a union, we have come up with a team of experts who are going to come up with a report which we shall present to the task force in due course about this CBC. So we support the task force and we are ready to give our views concerning this CBC, and we hope we shall come out with a refined education system.
Garabokora libogende das jiwodi awoni gobono msiebwe wodi ya Ariana Victor Mbasa anyarire kawa kerambuya abamenyi bense meya soko bonchora kobomwe msiebwe myaka 5 erebosio kawkwana nigalire ira yogo chikoreta magendera sense meyo aseboigo Mbasa anyarire ka kumotoyo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati anekranyarga kubwato kamaliogo chiasingitali awo chi county ya Kisii asate bino numero beriori o digital oriokorira maliogo tagusira kunyagitali nigore buya ekyagera abamenyi bense meyo konyora nigobe murunga nibuna maliogo gagasirire kurwase kinyagitali
no mwando Mbasa Victor omo MCA ochoru kurwe ward ya Ariana tigangira nafasi yeye gwakira abantu baminto bonsi bariana aso gwancha kongakira chikura so bonge rina nyara ko mo MC obo kana ari kuri chikura na ari tichira nganko cha kono ko na renge gasi yongo sabanyasaya ambwatsi erinde chira chirina ariete ase ward ya Ariana nyara go chikirania amangana ya mache abantu baita banyara mache chipara chetu kirose kubuya na chibasari gavana county yetu kuruchi basari abana baita banyara chibasari eri bagenda gosoma mu gavana na batagete abantu baito banyara mariogo na ende igachagete kurwa mariogo ayo esencherere ngie kiagara iganya bekete chi tracker na koko teba amariogo munaru level 6 agaikase sub county district hospital igale tracked igo ndiko chigotwara mangana ali obukurumi yo weibi ama abantu baito batareka nyana mariogo sinyakitali chabo mariogo ari kurukemsa atracho ke dispensary kwa nyora ibiru nchira igo tatu ko iri nafasi yo wakera omo governor ito Paul Simbarati aseka sengia kolire na ntwe soko tutumia mwana wa MCA okorega siyengia ase chigwatche
Egaro tutigarita sense meyo ya bonchari ni gobona bamenyi korwa sechiro ya suneka bagendete ko ichanira annekere echiro ya jagete kwaga chemyaka 5 n'itatu yairire etaraera goika boni gokwana no mukonya conductor osomo oyo wetu etenda yo kwaga chechire Richard Moindi oyibono okwanire ingekere tenyagitari eyo osingikere techire yugotenena etanya kwaera goika bono
Richard Mwindi Ombati, nafanya na Seboka General Construction Company ambao ndio contractor ambayo ilikuwa inafanya kazi ya Suneka Market and Pass Park, tenda ambao tulikuwa tumepewa the year 2014-2015. Contract ingechukua mwaka moja, lakini kwa shauri nilipata shida kulipwa kutoka kwa county government ya Kisii. Hii kazi iliweza kufifia, ingeweza kuendelea. Saa ile nilikuwa nadai maripo yangu. County chini ya Governor James Ongwae waliweza kukataa na ikanibidi kwenda arbitration.
Asijinga gejeji Moindi ni gobona nyarega kuburi mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Paulo Simbarati kuririye chire iyo boigo kumwaka na enengo ya nyarega gotumia ase chire iyo kera nyarega kwerabuna echire niyo yatenede ekera ni gata kanitwe bana sabulyo mugabana uyo gochikoye kora enda bamenyi bense meyibanyara bakonyore chiro eba korro bonchori bwabo nabaro bakore biasara byabo byakiralitko.
Na hiyo kesi imeendelea hata kwa ugumu, lakini imeisha the year 2021. Vile imeisha May 2021, hata wa leo sijapata kulipwa. Kwa hivyo saa hii mimi naomba His Excellency Paul Simbarati, namuomba aweze kunilipa pesa zangu, kwa sababu biashara nilikuwa nafanya imeanguka kabisa. Niko nyumbani, watoto wangu hawana kazi, hawana biashara, hakuna sasa wanafanya. I'm very much frustrated na nimekuwa stressed, hata imenifanya hata nikabuild high blood pressure. Kwa hivyo naomba Mheshimiwa His Excellency Governor wetu Simbarati aweze kunisaidia ili nirudi kwa biashara yangu ambao nilikuwa nafanya ambaye imeanguka.
Umugabana wa kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simbarati na nyarithika kwa na bunemiro binetakire kubikwa anene kero lire ligendete go change sense yito ya Kenya kerathebete muna no na se kaunti ya Kisii miro binetakire kubikwa no ene kero lire ligo change miro biri ya nyara ne bekire eri era irere kero lire liri ya nyarire ligo change oni aya kwanta buri tukure goro ekero aikiranite somoyega bwe oyomo ase kaunti ya Kisii boigo asiri tukure rero mugabano ina gendere obokora libwaye kero ahumirana na babwatani korwa sensemeri yobochenu kero babeke miro berio yogochi gosukie kaunti bosio asensemeri yobochenu korendete duraiwa na kyanya ka okwana buri tukurigoro asensemeri yelire.
Not been affected so much, but when it rains it goes for so long than it was before. What are we expecting that myself and my team, first we want to restore our rainy areas, all of them. Given a Kisii is more of a rural slum. How do we turn it around, because we don't have even land itself? But we are prepared. For the 5 years we are in office, for now, we will make attempt. We'll put in place proper institutional structure that anybody who comes before us and after us will have a framework to work from.
Omurai wenze Dr. William Ruto ni gori tukura rekirana somroberio gosaso musangano Nairobi Exchange ase ritko oriarero nyaraka okwana bune serikali ni chikobeke miroberi ya bene eriko imogia uchumi yensi ya Kenya neka orachikobwadena na nebyombe binde anabiribire ase liaburi lia National Exchange asense ya Kenya na nyaraka watabuna abantu bonsi bachikobwadena niwa erikwene kibuna omroberio yunko gendrole karoji company ange ikomichi ochikomentwa.
I do not need any evidence beyond what James Mwangi has said or beyond what Safaricom have told us. There is demonstrable evidence that in the stock market there is potential for us to raise the resources that today we are struggling to raise using debt instruments, using instruments that we are looking for in foreign capitals, debt what we are looking for multilateral institutions. That money that we are so desperately looking for out there, with proper instruments, we can get those resources from the people of Kenya through the Nairobi Stock Exchange. And I look forward from where I sit to government of Kenya raising more resources for our development using this NSC. I look forward to many Kenyans having the opportunity to buy, to sell, and to grow their wealth using the Nairobi Exchange. I look forward, for example, to that border guy. When waiting for the next customer, he is trading on his phone.
Umurai w'ikiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nigo bananyaririga kuboria serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yekorawa n'umurai wenzi Dr. William Ruto korigereria emiroberio erabe kweriko konya mo Kenya anekerate abuna obogima nigo bogendete gokongera aba Kenya nigo banatebirio umurai wenzi boigo anyaraga korigereria amang'ana ya agriculture anena sensemeri ye busureri ya GMO eri enjanyara go introduce gunanda sense yeito ya Kenya.
When I was Minister for Environment, we dropped it like a hot potato. So if you can imagine, if you're going to do Shamba system in Mao, the first casualty will be Mao River. And the next thing is the world wonder we call the world every annual event, the world migration will be a thing of the past. What are we doing to our children and our children's children? All because we need to catch up with some lost time in terms of raising and necessary funding, perhaps to pocket people's private pockets. So this is a hot issue. That's why we are suggesting, it's a very hot issue, we are suggesting consultation, and the mechanism under the Constitution 2010 on public participation is very well established now, from the national government level to the county governments as well. We cannot rely forever on our development partners. We must take a hold of the destiny.
Ayunara wana kuariganira se jinse jiga kurendege kuragense ya bana mara wanu jukuna nyora yu amona mange bina tuendete kwa sangirilia kusebu nabali kiweto baendete kwa sangirilia kuru imena isiko ya Gusii ke kuragense ya bana mara wa toma chakulilia mangana maya yensa ayemo ya bana mara wa kuru ya mara wa imeya district wansuma Gusii kado tena umaraibwa kiama gia udiamara murodingo yoligie kero wetera so mabwas miuro moja nere niga mochire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza asogo taikirani amagani abo yaba Kenya buna balirete eira ntake kunuku gose kugorora bunanga ki umurayi yanyarka kwana nigate abuna umukonyi bumurayi bwense Dr. umukonyi bumurayi bwense erigatika shawa na nyarka wate abuna echine chinga kichabo cyokoragera korende na intwe buna naba simyoro moja no nyantu mwakirete chikura nigo tojikwena kibuna nkorigere ritore ekiagera chibeso chutumeka ne cyaba Kenya igo tojikwena kibuna chie matuko emiyemo ayumora asobisi nande na mwalire taba Kenya mwaye ikiraniri oyo no muraibo wa mabwasi miuro moja Raila Odinga unyaraka ukwana ekero aenda gwika sensemeri ya bunge la wananchi Chefench Gardens ano aenda abu ekero waendete gukwanira igo mangana inu jikonyora se obugare gekuragense ya muyabona maroba ekero troche na ba muchiri serikali ya Kenya Kwanza oyo nkonya sensemeri y'umuntu bimanyerero nigakoro kwa Joshua Uto yene kuna muri gine chibijago jira senjera ya bene Bertrand Mukeira na Nchiriane Brighton Makoli.